everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I've got a festival makeup tutorial for you guys and I'm going to be using my Sophie Hannah Beauty jewels and glitters. If you didn't know, I have my own jewels and glitter brand. And yeah, I've got a few different designs. Unfortunately, the glitter is not biodegradable, if some of you do want to know that. It's because it's actually really hard to source, and I've got a lot of stock of it left. I've got PET glitter, so it's the really fine plastic. Yeah, it's not great for the environment, I know that. However, I am looking into biodegradable glitter at the moment. As I said, it's very hard to source, but for now I do have some fabulous glitter still. Yeah, so I've got my Blue Moon glitter, which I'm going to be using today. It's really cute. It's got like little blue stars in it, kind of turquoisey little diamonds, and kind of grey silver little bits of glitter. It is really fab. And then I've got my Moon Glow face jewel, which is this one here, and it goes across the forehead. It's an all-in-one sticker, and then I've got cute little jewels just to go under each eye. So I'm going to be using those today. If you'd like to check out sophiehannahrichardson.com, I'll pop a link for you below where you can shop all of my products. I've got things from Halloween jewels to festival jewels and obviously a range of glitters. And yeah, I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. I'm going to go for a bit of glitter on my eyes, yeah, and then the jewels on my head, and I think it's gonna be quite a simple look. I don't want to go too out there. I always love to do tutorials that you guys can recreate. As you can see, I've already got my base and my brows done, so I'm going to begin with the highlight and then get straight into the festival glittery makeup, and I'm going to start with my eyes. So let's go.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
The music just turns.
I know you want it, I do too. I can see it in your face. You want all my space, I want it all. You do too. When we fuss and we fighting, I still get excited. I want it all. You want it all. We want it all. Yeah. I know what you want, and you know what I want. The six and the stars hunt with new life in our arms. You know that about it, can't even deny it. The way our lives alive. So I want you to tell me, I want you to feel me. I want everything that you give me. I want it all. You want it all. I can see in your face that you want all my space. I want it all. You want it all. I give you the world, every moment I have. I want it all. It's only you. I feel it. Every Jones in my bones. Can't leave you alone. I knew when I met you that you changed my life, that you be my wife. I want it all. You want it all. We want it all. Yeah. I know you want it, I do too. I can see it in your face. You want all my space, I want it all. You do too. When we fuss and we fighting, I still get excited. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
The music just turns.
I know you want it, I do too. I can see it in your face. You want all my space, I want it all. You do too. When we fuss and we fighting, I still get excited. I want it all, 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 all. You want it all, 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 all. We want it all. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. I know what you want and you know what I want. The six and the stars hunt with new life in our arms. You know that about it, I can't even deny it. The way our lives alive. So I want you to tell me, I want you to feel me. I want everything that you give me. I want it all, 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 all. You want it all, 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 all. I can see in your face that you want all my space. I want it all. You want it all. I give you the world every moment I have. I want it all, all, all. It's only you. I feel it. Every jones in my bones. Can't leave you alone. I knew when I met you that you changed my life, that you'd be my wife.
So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I feel like I look like an alien mermaid kind of girl, but yeah, I'm loving it. Love my jewels and my glitter. I think it just adds like a proper sparkle to your festival makeup look. As you can see, this was super easy to create, so I really hope you guys can recreate this at a festival or get inspired by it. I've popped all links below to the products I've used, so do check that out. There's also links to my Instagram where there's many more festival looks, and Sophie Hannah Beauty if you want some more inspiration. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Also, you can shop this wig from below as well, because this is a wig. It's from Mood Hair Inc. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.